Now we should all endeavor to stop the stigmatization of COVID-19 patients and survivors. Still staying on the coronavirus pandemic, as the number of confirmed cases continues to rise in Nigeria, health authorities say the country is now in the community transmission stage. So what are some of the safety measures you should continue to adopt to combat the virus? Just Nigeria's Abayomi Adisa has more.
With the easing of the lockdown, we all seem to have returned to our normal pre-COVID-19 lives. But the invincible enemy is still out there. Coronavirus has not been defeated. When the federal government imposed a lockdown in March, confirmed cases were about 97 and there was only one death. Today, there are more than 40,000 cases and about 900 deaths. So, as you return to work, we'd like to remind you about some of the safety guidelines that you must observe. Regularly and thoroughly wash your hands with soap and water or clean them with an alcohol-based hand rub. You see, these basic activities can actually kill the viruses on your hand. Maintain at least 6 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing repeatedly. You see, when someone coughs, sneezes or speaks, they spray small liquid droplets from their nose or mouth, which may contain viruses. If you are too close, you can breathe in the droplets, including the COVID-19 virus, if the person has the disease. Wear a non-medical face mask or covering when leaving the house. A face shield is not enough. You need to wear a face mask. It will serve as a barrier to prevent respiratory droplets from traveling into the air and onto other people. You need to avoid going to crowded places. When people come together in crowds, you are more likely to come into close contact with someone that has COVID-19. If the gathering is more than 20 persons, please stay away. Make sure you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. This means covering your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose of the used tissue immediately and wash your hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Though difficult, it is doable. Hands touch many surfaces that can pick up viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose, or mouth. From there, the virus can enter your body and infect you. Stay home if you feel unwell until you recover. Do not mingle with people or congregate. Avoiding contact with others will protect them from possible COVID-19 and other viruses. You must also avoid close contact with anyone showing symptoms of respiratory infection. Following these guidelines could help protect you from contracting the coronavirus. Again, coronavirus is not a death sentence. More than 10 million people have recovered from it all over the world, and 17,000 of them are Nigerians. So, stay safe and stay well.